Loperamide, commonly known as Imodium, is a go-to medication for diarrhea. But what does it really do to your gut? This medication works by slowing down the movement of the intestines, allowing more time for water to be absorbed and making stools firmer. While it's effective for stopping diarrhea, it doesn't fix the root cause and can sometimes lead to constipation if overused. Since the gut relies on regular movement to maintain a healthy microbiome, slowing it down too much can disrupt this balance. If you frequently experience diarrhea, it's important to find out what's triggering it. Stress, food intolerances, or gut infections could be underlying factors. Instead of relying solely on loperamide, supporting gut health with probiotics, hydration, and a balanced diet can help regulate digestion naturally. If digestive issues persist, working with a healthcare provider to address the cause is always the best approach.